As you guys can probably see, I am plugged in right now with my headphones. I'm about to jump on a call with a client right now that signed up for lessons. She has some questions about what kind of package she wants to go with, and we do offer a variety of packages, and sometimes clients don't really know what package to go with since there's so many different options. So I'm going to get on the call, I'm going to explain to her exactly what package would be best for her, and here we go. Hey Sarah, this is Brian from InstaSwim. We received your registration yesterday. You wanted like a jumpstart package for your daughter, kind of like a refresher since she's taken lessons in the past, and we can absolutely do that. So I wanted to kind of just, discuss what option to go with and answer any questions you have. Okay, so she didn't pick up, but I did leave a voicemail. Sometimes that happens. So right now we just received the W-9 form, the contract agreement from an instructor that we really needed in a certain area. So she just submitted her information in, so now we can add her to the database and contact her if we have a client available for her, which we actually do. So I'm gonna go ahead, get into the database and go offer her this client. So guys, we are getting a lot of new registrations in. It is now April 6th and we are getting really close to the season starting. I mean, the season kind of basically already started in most areas that we serve, but here where we're headquartered in New Jersey, the season starts like late May, early June. So most of our clients are from New Jersey, obviously. It's where we started, it's where we're headquartered. We just gotta make sure everything is ready. All the instructors are ready to go in New Jersey, and there's other areas that I wanna look into as well that I wanna start serving probably by July. So we're doing some research right now, we're doing some R&D, looking into those areas, seeing if they're a good fit for us, seeing if we could be ready by a certain date. And I think there's a lot of potential in some of these areas. There's not a lot of competition. So we're really looking into it and see if it's something we can do. Yesterday I was up late last night just creating content for Instagram and Facebook. I talked about this in the last video, but I want to hire a production team to go out to my lessons to take pictures and shoot video. I want a dedicated team getting good video of lessons and getting good photos of our students and our instructors teaching, and it just adds a nice element to the content strategy that we have. So a lot of the content that I'm creating right now, because we don't have those shots, is more of words, words, quotes, using icons, different icons and stuff. I think one piece of content I created, let me show you guys real quick. I don't know if you can see this, but one piece of content I created was this. See, we offer rates, I don't know if you can see it, but we offer rates as low as $17.75 per student, stuff like that. I created this. I'll put it up on the screen anyway, but so you can see better, but get scheduled within 24 hours and then stuff like that. I use icons. That's kind of what I've been doing. In terms of content strategy, because I don't have those images and those videos yet. Gotta wait till the season starts really. Quick business tip is content's very important, and you gotta put a big effort into it, and you gotta start dumping some money into it if you're a business owner, because people look at your Facebook page, they look at your Instagram. If you don't have good content on there, then it's not, you don't look active, you don't look like a company that takes things seriously. And by putting content out there, it gets your name out there, you start building up your brand, and you start building up a name and a buzz, and the more content you put out, the more people will see it and it'll reach more people. So it's super important to, put a focus on content. That's pretty much it really. I mean, just a lot of the same stuff, just answering phone calls and sending out a lot of emails. I have some things in the works, and things are just going really good. But in terms of say, anything crazy, does InstaSwim have an office yet? Do we, are we doing humongous numbers yet? Not yet. You know what I mean? Not yet. That stuff's gonna come eventually, and I think the vlog will be so much more exciting when I make a video about how we got a new office, check it out, and I show you guys the office, and you get the big InstaSwim logo on the office. That's goals, guys. That's gonna happen. It'll happen in the near future. It's not happening yet, but it's in the plans, guys. It's in the works. I built this company up from nothing. I told you guys, I started with $50 in my pocket, and I built the name, I built the brand, I got the LLC. I did all the hiring myself, all the R&D, the research. I did all the marketing myself, and I built the website myself. I mean, recently we just had a developer do it, but the original website I built myself, and everything myself, guys. I was the first instructor, the first swim instructor for InstaSwim. So yeah, I started this company 2 years ago, and it's really been growing ever since at a very fast rate. And this is the year that I really invested a lot of money and time and effort into the things that I was kind of afraid to invest in, and I actually did it this year, this previous year. A lot of this year is based around just big investments, and the big payout will probably be next year or the year after. So you gotta invest in your company, you gotta invest in your business. If you have a growing business and you're making like, I don't know, 6 figures, you better invest like a good amount of that money into your business because you want to keep it going. It's super important because I see a lot of people, they buy like these nice cars and they buy like this nice stuff, and it's great. I love stuff too. I love material things, but there's a point in life where you gotta hold back on that if you can't afford it, or even if you could afford it, you should think about what you're doing. You should think about, if I was to put this money into my business, how much more money I can make in the long run. And that's kind of what I'm focused on right now, is just like investing, and just putting as much money as I can, because I gotta live too, right? But I'm putting as much money as I can into this business right now, and I haven't really done it to the extent that I am this year. I'm not a guru or anything, but I'm just, showing the process. I'm learning as I go, and I'm sharing it with you guys. So, yeah. Also guys, for those who are following me on Instagram, I know I've been very inactive. I've just been so busy with just trying to like run my company, guys, and get everything ready. So I apologize I'm not as active. Same with YouTube as well. Like my upload frequency isn't as strong as it used to be. I used to upload like every day or like every other 2 days. So I apologize for that, but I'm just so busy, like as a business owner, you gotta like prioritize, you gotta like put your company first before everything, besides family and stuff like that. But I'm a business owner first and then a personal brand. So, when it comes to my businesses or whatever it is, I need to just put my full focus into that, especially when peak season comes around. So, I'm running on fumes here, guys. It's about to be like mid-April. The season starts late May, and I got to put my full force and full focus into this. And I'm going to still be putting out content for you guys. I'm still going to be hammering away and like trying to put out as much as I can, showing the process and documenting everything. And, that's what I'm going to still do. And I'm not going to stop just because I get busy at work. It may take me, an extra 2 or 3 days to put out a video or a photo, but I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna quit. I'm not gonna like go on hiatus. So I just wanted to let you guys know. As you guys can see, I got the snowball up and running. What I did was I hooked up the snowball to the computer, right? And I have some really shitty setup right there with my headphones. They're just like old iPhone headphones. But what I did was I set this up so that I can answer calls directly from my computer. And the reason why I did that is because with the app that I use to answer client calls, it has a desktop app. And a desktop app is way more responsive and way quicker than the phone app that I use as well. So it's much easier to answer calls using my computer. And that's pretty much like all I use now when I answer calls from my home office. I knocked out a phone interview today with a really cool instructor over in California, and it's a pretty good area. I'm pretty excited to have him join because I think we have about 3 clients waiting for one of our instructors over there. So once he's on the team, everything comes back good, all the paperwork, the background check and everything. Gonna go ahead and schedule him to those 3 clients, so that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, clients coming in every day, guys, getting a lot of new clients, and it's an awesome feeling how far we've come as a company, in the past 2-3 years. So it's gonna be a crazy, crazy year, and I'm gonna update you guys and show the process along the way. So I'm gonna get back to work. Got some more emails to send out, gonna do some more R&D and probably create some more content. So gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching as usual, and I appreciate all of your support. You guys inspire the shit out of me. Keep putting out content for you guys. So much love, guys. I will see you guys in the next one.